This is where the avatar becomes real. The image set you generate in this lesson is the foundation everything else rests on. Your HeyGen videos, social profiles, thumbnails, lead magnets. Bad source images equals bad everything downstream. Take this seriously. Tool comparison Midjourney. Best overall photorealism. Excellent skin texture and lighting. Discord-based interface. IT1060 month. Flux, via Replicate, Fal.ai, or Leonardo. The current state-of-the-art for photoreal AI portraits as of late 2025. Better hand and text rendering than Midjourney. Pay-per-image pricing. Leonardo AI, free tier, multiple models including Flux. Strong for fashion lifestyle. Good for beginners. DALL-E 3, via ChatGPT+. Easiest interface, best prompt understanding, but tends towards stylized rather than photoreal results. Pro tip. If you're starting today, Leonardo AI's Flux model on the free tier is the best risk-reward play. You can generate hundreds of test images before committing to a paid tool. The 7-element prompt structure. Photoreal AI portraits need every layer of context. Skip one and the image looks generic. Subject. Who they are. Gender, age, ethnicity, build, environment, where they are, studio, kitchen, office, outdoor cafe, lighting, soft window light, golden hour, ring light, studio strobe, camera and lens, shot on Canon R5, 85mm f1.4, full frame emotion, confident smile, thoughtful expression, warm laugh, wardrobe, specific clothing, color palette. Style anchors, photorealistic, cinematic, sharp focus, hyper-detailed. Example. Photo of a 32-year-old woman with shoulder-length brown hair and warm brown eyes, sitting at a sunlit kitchen counter with a coffee cup, wearing a cream cashmere sweater, soft window light from camera left, shot on Canon R5 with 85mm f1.4 lens, shallow depth of field, photorealistic, sharp focus on eyes, natural skin texture. No makeup look. Gentle, confident smile. Camera and lens vocabulary. This is the secret weapon most beginners miss. The model has been trained on billions of photos tagged with camera metadata. When you specify cameras and lenses, you tell it which look you want. 85mm. Classic portrait look. Beautiful background blur 50mm. Natural perspective. Slightly wider environmental shot. 35mm. Environmental portrait. More setting visible. Canon R5. Sony A7 IV. Premium camera bodies signal. High-end editorial to the model. Lighting prompts. Soft window light. Natural, warm, flattering golden hour. Outdoor warmth. Sunset glow. Ring light. Modern creator aesthetic. Studio strobe with softbox. Clean editorial look. Rembrandt lighting. Dramatic authority-building portraits. Facial consistency. The #1 beginner problem. You'll generate a perfect first image. Then the second image looks like a different person. This is the consistency problem, and there are 3 solutions. Seed reuse. Once you have a good image, lock the seed value and only change the scenery, expression, or wardrobe. Reference image. Image to image. Feed your hero image back into the tool as a reference. Midjourney. Cref. Flux's reference mode. Leonardo's image. Custom-trained models. For advanced users, train a LoRa or Dreambooth model on 15 to 20 images of your character. After that, every future image looks identical. Warning. Don't accept close enough. Audiences spot inconsistency immediately. If your avatar's nose, chin shape, or eye color shifts between videos, the brand falls apart. Re-roll until the face is locked. Required image set. By the end of this lesson, you need at minimum 1 hero headshot, your profile picture, sharp focus, confident expression, 3 lifestyle shots, avatar and natural environments, cafe, home office, outdoors, 3 talking headshots, straight on, neutral background. These become HeyGen source images, 5 emotion variants, happy, focused, surprised, concerned, confident, 2 full body shots, For thumbnails and Pinterest content, save them all in a folder named after your avatar. We'll come back to this library every time you produce content.